Advice for free. Usidharau mtu kwa sababu hana. Usinidharau leo kwa sababu sina. Sitaishi nikikosa. That's the fact about life, kwa sababu everything that you do, it's a step after another step. Uligrow, ulizaliwa, ukacrawl, ukatembea, and now you are where you are because age inasonga. And what you had when you were childhood, what you did not have in childhood, now you have. Okay? So, in life, usidharau mtu kwa sababu hana leo. Kesho kila kitu itapatikana. And what you thought that, wakati uliona that hafai, do you think that person will repay you with the same thing, ama atakuwa with a positive mind towards you? Ukinidharau leo, I don't know whether yani sijui kama atakubali hiyo kitu wakati utakuwa unanihitaji pia nikubali, nikikumbuka hayo yenye ulinifanyia kitambo. I don't think it end well. So it's up to you. Live with everyone well so that you can earn something good in life. Ishi na kila mtu vizuri. Know how to handle them. Know how to treat them. That's all about life.